Alright, just wanted to show you these courtesy door lights. These go on your vehicle, truck, car, and how they work in here. There's a light shining through here, I think you can see that. And there's a reed switch in here. And right now the reed switch is closed, creating a contact. And as soon as this gets closer to here, the magnet, the light went off. I'll show you again. Light popped on. So this is mimicking when the door opens, the light's on. When the door closes, the light goes off. Let me turn these lights off so you can actually see that. So I'm right next to it. Door opens up, light comes on, door closes. So what is this as this door opens and closes? You get that right there. That appears. And then as you swing the door closed, turns it off. Comes with these two magnets, high-powered magnets. I'm not sure if they're rare earth. They sure feel like they are. You also get some 3M foam tape to apply to the back of the light and to affix that to the door. There's also a little piece for the magnet as well. The magnet may just stick on the metal frame of the vehicle, but if it is plastic for some reason, just there's a cutout in there for that. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video,